Hello, my name is Loren Brown, and I'd like to invite you to a virtual walkthrough of Creative Arts 789 at Westgate Mennonite Collegiate. Currently, Creative Arts is offered opposite some of the music options in the school, but at least one chance will be given to all students in grades 7, 8, and 9 should they choose to consider Creative Arts. First and paramount is safety in our Creative Arts program, and we have a wide variety of safety protocols that we follow, and we teach a safety unit, which is really the only formal assessment before we begin working on projects in Creative Arts. After that unit is complete, we dive into our projects, learn how to use the tools to cut, to saw, to sand, to drill, to finish, to paint, and to enjoy our projects. Here's a few of the tools that we use in our Creative Arts program, starting with the drill press. We also use the scroll saw. We have 2 drill presses, 3 scroll saws, 2 band saws, and we even have a variety of sanders, both stationary and handheld, to use to complete our projects. What fun we have. The senior kids, grade 9, actually engage with some of the more complicated tools, including a lathe. And there's some pens at the bottom base near the lathe here that you see that kids have all built using pieces of wood blanks and composite materials to spin, to whittle down with some special tools called gouges, and to create their pens. The basic projects that kids make, you see a variety of options here, from the scroll saw projects with the Santa and the Christmas tree, the bandsaw projects with the bandsaw boxes to hold trinkets and little gadgets and fun coins and whatnot, and some more complicated like the gumball machine that uses drill presses and cutting tools and sanding and finishing projects. Okay? We're also learning to play with epoxy, and we're having some fun making some fun little devices and trivets and candle holders. The device, the little object on the phone, is an actual pine cone that's been submerged in epoxy, drilled out, and then polished on a lathe to give it a glow from the inside. Add a little LED and you've got a cool little nightlight. Here's a few samples of kids and their projects and the fun that they're having with their finished projects in Creative Arts, grades 7, 8, 9 at Westgate Mennonite Collegiate. Love to see you come here and build something with me. Have a great day.